Guys, have you ever wished you could expand your phone storage in a snap? Have you got an iPhone 16 Pro and want to shoot video in ProRes at 120 frames per second? Well, today we're diving into something pretty cool. It's the MSE01 by MINIX. This is a new M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure, and it's got some neat tricks up its sleeve. So stick around to see how this little gadget is going to change the way you use your iPhone to shoot video. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the MSE01 SSD enclosure from MINIX, and I'm going to tell you right away that this is a very cool piece of tech that's going to enable you to get the best out of your phone for shooting video, your iPhone that is. Now, strangely enough, Apple does not allow you to shoot ProRes 120 frames per second to the internal storage. Now, this is going to be down to the massive file sizes for this high bandwidth recording. But add this MINIX MSE01 and you are good to go. Now, before we get into it, MINIX sent me this MSE01 SSD enclosure to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have some paperwork. We also have some heat dissipation sticky pads. There's also a screwdriver to install the SSD into the enclosure, and obviously a screw. Then we get this short, flat USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the enclosure to your iPhone. And lastly, guys, we have the enclosure itself. Now, taking a look around this enclosure, and it comes in this nice light blue color. It's got a matte finish on the front with kind of glossy sides. And on the front, you've got some branding. And on the back, you have the MagSafe ring. And guys, on the side, you've got a power delivery Type-C port for charging your iPhone while you use the SSD. You also get another Type-C port which connects to your phone with the included cable, and as a nice touch you get headphone jacks for both Type-C and 3.5mm, so that's pretty neat. And actually that Type-C port, you can also plug in an external microphone. So I've got USB wireless or USB-C wireless microphone. You can plug that in and I'll demonstrate that capability a little bit later in the video. Now guys, let's open this thing up. Now bear in mind that you're going to need to buy an SSD separately. It's not included. Luckily I have a 1TB M.2 SSD, but actually MINIX sent me a 512 gig SSD already installed. So thanks guys, and nice touch. But you know what? It's good to know that this enclosure can actually support capacities of up to 4 terabytes. Other specs include SSD support for M.2 NVMe and SATA. You also get 60 watts PD for charging your iPhone. You get 1050 megabits per second data transfer speeds, and of course it's MagSafe compatible. And whilst this MSE01 is predominantly designed for iPhone users, you can happily use this as external storage for Android phones and your computer if you want. So you know what? Pretty versatile. So guys, if you want a fairly inexpensive way to add fast storage to your computer or phone, then this is a pretty good way to do it. But guys, the killer feature here is that ProRes recording on your iPhone. Just take a look. So guys, I'm recording to the iPhone 16 Pro in ProRes 120 frames per second, and this is only possible using an external storage device. So the MINIX MSE01 external storage device is attached to my iPhone 16 Pro, making this ProRes recording possible. Now guys, we've got exactly the same. We're shooting in 120 frames per second ProRes on the iPhone 16 Pro to the MINIX MSE01 external storage device, and this time I'm shooting it in log. So the first time was in HDR, this time it's in log, and you can see the difference between these two modes are the fact that log is kind of giving you this washed out kind of look because there's so much data that's stored in the log file that it enables you to really color grade this nicely. Now guys, we've got exactly the same. We're shooting in 120 frames per second ProRes on the iPhone 16 Pro to the MINIX MSE01 external storage device, and this time I'm shooting it in log. So the first time. Now yes, that was some awesome quality, and the fact that you can choose between HDR and log is very cool. But know this, these files are big, hence why you need external storage. A 1 minute video shot in ProRes 120 frames per second is going to be around 25 gigabytes. I mean, whoa. So guys, there you have it. The MINIX MSE01 SSD enclosure is the best way to use the full video recording capabilities of your iPhone 16 Pro. It's also a great, inexpensive way to add storage to your Android phones and your computers. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick up one of these bad boys for around £50, which is cheap. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to MINIX for sending me this very cool and capable external SSD enclosure to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.